A very warm welcome to all of you in this video where I would be addressing one of the queries we receive from students who would like to apply for Germany student visa. The applicants are interested to know about the success rate of student visa if they apply. They would like to know if German student visa is easy to get, what are the steps in the process. My name is Parvinder and I am a ISEF certified counselor with over 16 years of experience in dealing with student visas. I encourage you all to watch this video till the end, as in this video I would be speaking about some important tips which could be used to apply for your student visa for Germany. The best part of applying for your study visa to Germany is that there are no hard and fast financial requirements. The financial requirements for applying for your student visa are quite simple. The requirement is that you must have access to 1 year of tuition fee as well as 1 year of cost of living. As it might sound simple, but if you do not fulfill the requirement, this could cause the refusal of the application. So the applicants can prove this by submitting their tuition fee for 1 year and having a blocked account as their cost of living for the first year. There may be certain circumstances where the applicants may have applied with submitting the fee of 1 semester. If this is the case, then you must also show evidence from where you would be submitting the tuition fee for the next semester. If this information is missing, then this may cause refusal. Now, the requirement is quite simple, but if this is not fulfilled, this may cause problem with the application. Then there are other requirements which the applicants must fulfill. For example, having acceptable health insurance is one of the requirements. It's a very simple requirement, but if you do not fulfill this requirement, then again this may cause problem with the application. Another thing could be regarding your APA certificate. If you are studying in a private university and the university has assessed that you meet the entry requirements for, let's say, a bachelor's program, but your APA certificate says that you meet the requirement for doing a foundation course, then this mismatch in information may cause problem with the application. So the German student visa is easy to get, but the applicants need to take care that they fulfill all the requirements. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. For any query you may have about study in Germany, please contact West Highlander. We are a team of experienced and expert counselors who can help you throughout the process. Thank you.